got June's Monday outfit of the day. She's had her hair done. I just pulled it forward a little and then it's fluffed up in the back. She's wearing a headband, just a white plain stretchy headband with a clip that I made. It's kind of party-ish looking, yellows and greens, and it's got polka dots. She's got her passy, and she's wearing her new dress that we got last Friday, Secondhand Friday. She's got her little monkey rattle, and her new white socks, also from last Friday, Secondhand Friday. And she doesn't have any bloomers or anything, she just has a diaper underneath. And she's just chilling out, having a nice day. Thanks for watching.